Hey, idiot. Why did you stop me? Move out of the way.
Help! There's a monster shark attacking the city. It's heading this way on Road 07. Moral of the story is bad plans can hurt everyone, even the people who create them. Always use your talents to help others and work together to solve problems.
It's raining very heavily today. Did you get any update from the weather report?
The rain is still very heavy this afternoon. Please check the manholes.
Sir, all of them are stuck. The only option is to open them manually.
What?
Hello, sir. This is the scientist. The manholes are stuck. Could you please check once?
What should I do?
There's only one way. Clear all areas quickly if the manholes aren't opened within an hour. The whole city could sink. Helicopters will arrive in 30 minutes. Move fast and call the city teams immediately.
Move fast. Move. This is an emergency. Floods are coming. Move. Hello, sir. Everything is fine. The helicopters took care of it. All is okay. Over.
Hey, idiot. Why didn't you tell me about the submission last week? I want a proper explanation by tonight, or you're out of here.
Hey, why did you stop so suddenly?
Hey, stay where you are. Don't move. The bridge is breaking. Everyone. Hello, officer, hurry. The bridge is collapsing. There are cars trapped on it. Help each other. Use your chains and hold on tightly.
Attention, everyone! Please change your direction. The bridge is breaking. Use another route.
Thank you, Jeep. You did a great job.
Moral of the story is, always help others through teamwork and strength. We are stronger and safer together.